Way 31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Grace Anello with 31 Triple Doppler.
All right, Grace, we have a lot to talk about, right?
We have a lot to talk about.
So walk us through all the changes we're going to see.
All right, so today we're very cloudy now. We're going to start to see more sun, but we're really feeling like winter. That follows us into tomorrow morning. We're waking up at 26, a little warmer, a little sunnier in the afternoon. Then we've got a risk for severe weather on Saturday, and then we're even colder all of next week.
So get ready for everything and pay attention too, right?
Right, just bring every article of clothing you own for every season out the door each day and you should be fine. All right, now I do want to start off talking to you about that 31 alert day on Saturday. Still a couple days away, but it is our biggest story. We're going to talk about today's weather as well, but first I want to get you this information. So what I'm tracking for greatest threats: damaging winds, the potential for flooding due to increased rainfall. We're going to have pretty torrential rain, maybe another inch to 2 inches. Add that to what we've already seen, and we could easily see some flooding conditions. It also looks like we could see some tornadoes. Now, here's why this is so important. Your Saturday threat is an overnight threat. That means I really need you to have the Way 31 Storm Tracker weather app, and in fact, a couple other ways to make sure you get those tornado warnings. It's sent straight to your phone should one be issued, so that you can wake up and you can make sure you're staying safe. We have been put in an elevated risk. That's a level 2 for most of us in yellow, a level 3 out of 5 in orange for our southwestern counties for that Saturday night severe risk. We seldom see a level 3, so it's not unheard of, but it's nowhere near as common. So that just clues us in even more that we need to be really paying attention. So here's how it works out. Your Friday night, so Valentine's Day night, just a touch of rain, very isolated, very hit or miss. That follows us into Saturday afternoon, and things are a little more scattered in nature. Not quite as isolated, but take a look. This is 12 p.m. lunchtime on Saturday. Yes, we are seeing rain. Not all of us are seeing it, but what's there is heavy. This cold front that's stretching from Nashville to Memphis, that is what is bringing that threat for severe weather. Now, as it stands right now, it's not stretching into the shoals until about 11 o'clock this evening. But because it's still a couple days away, that could change by a few hours. So if you're, say, not going out to Valentine's Day dinner on Friday, you're going out on Saturday, you need to pay attention to this to make sure that you're back before this line gets into the region, knowing that this timing could advance a couple of hours. Just stay updated with us. We'll update you more on that. Amber will tonight, and I will first thing tomorrow morning. As it stands now, the line crosses over I-65 in the wee hours around 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, makes its way into Sand Mountain from there, and then our severe weather window is pretty much done by 3 and 4 o'clock in the morning. We're still left with a whole lot of torrential rain on the back end of that early Sunday and even into your breakfast time Sunday, but at that point, nothing severe. It's very isolated rain, and it's very light showers at that point. So we're really talking about that 11 p.m. to maybe 3 a.m., 4 a.m. kind of window Saturday night into Sunday. The greatest of our threats is the wind and the heavy rain, but I am watching that potential for tornadoes. We're highly sheared, meaning we have plenty of spin in the atmosphere. What we're watching is exactly how much of that resurgence we're going to get in the trough to see if we can get some strong storms. Hopefully we won't, but it's looking probable that we will, so I want you to stay weather aware. One more thing to add, we do have an aerial flood watch for our southwestern Tennessee counties. That is from Friday night through Sunday afternoon ahead of the increased amount of rain. All right. Now back to right now. The Way 31 Skycam network, powered by Thompson Roofing and Construction. Very cloudy, showing temperatures in the upper 30s, 11:22 on your Thursday. We're going to start to see a little bit of cloud clearing as we head into the afternoon. Not completely sunny, but we will see some of it before too long. Our high temperature today, 46 degrees. At our warmest, feeling like 40. So still staying pretty cold all day long. We're very cold tomorrow morning at 26, a whole lot warmer in the afternoon. And then next week, we're waking up in the 20s. We'll be right back.